Hey guys, how's it going? Well, this is going to be a short video, and I want to discuss a couple of things. First, we're going to evaluate. A few days ago, I invested in some shitcoins, looking for bargains. So we're going to see how that went. So, did we make money? Did we not? Did we lose? So we're going to see that. And the other part is when I want to briefly discuss on my strategy on how to invest in shitcoins. Now, no, I'm no financial advisor. I advise you to seek counsel with whomever you think it's appropriate. But I want to share with you my strategy because that's worked for me. So without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, guys. So first things first. I want to explain in terms of a period of time investing in shitcoin. Things move a lot more fast than in the other more established traditional financial markets. So 2 or 3 days in altcoins or in shitcoins is equivalent of 2 or 3 months in the financial markets. So whatever decision you do here, you need to keep an eye on whatever investments you do. So I check on my investments at least 3 or 4 times a day because the same way they could go all the way to the moon, they could go all the way down to the floor, and you don't want to be caught in that because you didn't check on your investments. That is especially true with shitcoins. Now, and I want to discuss this because some people, I have the impression that decided to copy my trades, and while that's good, and remember I'm no financial advisor, the fact that you didn't see me check on those investments every day, a number of times a day, it doesn't mean that I just forgot about them, right? So if for some reason, for your personal reason, you decide to do the same thing I'm doing, one, it doesn't mean it's the best thing to do. It's like, to the best of my knowledge, that's a good strategy, but I'm not suggesting you to do that. And two, please keep an eye on your investment, guys. That's really important. So with shitcoins, we discussed Light and we discussed Fox Finance. And for a while I was recording that, and for a while after that, those two tokens went at least 2x, right? And after that, they went down. So with every shitcoin that happens, and it happens within a span, with a few exceptions like SafeMoon, but most of them will crash after 3 or 4 days. Some of them might take a couple of weeks. So that's why you have to keep an eye on those shitcoin investments. Now, that's why I always invest just a tiny bit. It's just like placing a small bet. I would invest the same thing I would spend at Starbucks to get a sandwich and a coffee, nothing more than that. My main investments are in larger caps or even mid caps that show promise. So, and I will be discussing those too in this channel. So it's important, guys. First, if you decide to copy me, that's up to you. And then if you do, please keep an eye on your investments and sell when you decide it's a good time to sell. Do not wait for me to make another video because, it might have, I might have sold already and I didn't make a video in the meantime. Especially, this might happen at, in the noon or in the night. So that's that. So now let's go see what happened with the other investment we did a few days ago. And as you know, these are not as shit tokens as the other ones, as Fox or SafeMoon or Light. These are kind of more established tokens that have they have a little more purpose, right? They're trying to solve a problem as opposed to the other ones, like realistically, because some tokens will tell you they will solve a problem, but they're not doing anything. So those are words, and as common sense tells you, follow the actions, not the words. But these 4 tokens here, they have at least exchanges, right? And that by itself, they provide interest rates and ways to invest those. And they have paired with their BNB to make their tokens more valuable. So that's why you will see that we made money on most of them. So MASH, remember in all of this, we deposited $10. So in MASH, Now we're at 14.67. It went up probably some to 22. Now we're down at 14.67. Out of that, probably $1 is interest. So what we're going to do in a short bit is we're going to withdraw. On Palm, we did a 2x. It actually went all the way to 30. So what I would do with Palm, and this is what I want to discuss about this strategies. So I'm going to take my initial $10 off the table, and I will leave $10 there. That's like my profit. So whatever happens to that profit, it could moon, right, guys? Or it could just earn interest, and that by itself is already a good thing. So, and since I've taken my original money off the table, then whatever happens with that, I'm fine. With Blizzard, I'm going to remove everything, and the same thing with Swamp. This too, well, Blizzard it just hiked from 10.50 all the way to 13.57. It probably doesn't have much more runway, and I think the same is true for Swamp. So all in all, let's see, we earned $4 here, $10 here, that's 14, 17, and we lost 30 cents. So we earned $16.50 out of a $40 investment. So we did a 30%. We made 30% of this tokens in 4 or 5 days. Potentially, this could go way higher because remember, especially Palm, we bought it at an all-time low, and that's why I'm leaving part of that there. But the other ones, I think we can find another set of interesting shitcoins in the near future, and we'll do a video of that. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you guys, to explain what I'm doing, how am I doing, and so you can kind of follow my thinking. And if that's something useful to you, then of course you're free to do whatever you think is best for your investment. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we speak about how to properly invest during the bull trends and the downtrends. See you next video. Bye-bye.